a quick video to just say that there is, and I just discovered this, using the camera and the microphone on this computer, you hear a motor sound, a vibrating motor sound in the background. I want to say that I cannot hear that with my ears. I can only hear it using the video camera. Yesterday I was out for many hours, and they came in, left evidence that they came in, because when I laid on this bed, I felt two things. There's a slight electrical resonance that's coming out of the mattress. Looked at the mattress, excuse me, I'm scratching my nose because of allergies. Looked at the mattress and noticed that the mattress had been pulled apart at one of the seams, which proves that they came in and because I can feel it, and tampered with the mattress. Then in the bathroom, they put the vibrating APs in the cabinet. So now the bathroom cabinets are vibrating, which means that there are cameras in the bathroom, which I'll find. That won't be hard to find. That they're turning on when I'm in there. Hidden cameras. Hidden my ass. Ain't too many places you can hide those cameras in that bathroom. So just want to make that, just want to put this out, share this information. My nose is itching like crazy, spring, and I have allergies. So that's it. Listen to this background motor sound. I cannot hear it with my ears in this room, but this camera's microphone is definitely picking it up. There you go. Thank you.